Hello there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to create an SEO optimized content. And as you can see right now, I am currently on Claude because this is the main process or the main tool we're gonna use for this video. So this is gonna be the link, claude.ai. Please make sure this is the landing page you're also seeing on your end. Now to proceed with this one, we're gonna do the topic. This is a topic I found out, so let's go to this website. And then for this one, it's going to be called SEMrush. And then the topic is going to be how to become an SEO freelancer, what it takes, plus key tips. So to proceed with this one, to create a content, of course, we're going to need an outline. To get your outline, of course, we don't need to pay for someone to get your outline. Basically, we're going to do it for free. And we're going to do it via Harpa. This one right here, I have a video about Harpa. Please check it out. So with Harpa, imagine a co-pilot with your work. So to access this one, make sure you access this things right there. Make sure these are highlighted and just simply ask Harpa to extract the main outlines from this article. Okay. Now while waiting for Harpa to finish, let's go back to Claude because I'm going to show you a little prompt I have prepared. So let's just use this specific prompt that I have prepared for you guys. So for this one, give me a second. So your first task to write an in-depth comprehensive blog post outline for an article. Keyword, of course, our keyword with this one is how to become an SEO freelancer. So the idea for this video is we're gonna combine the generated content from Claude and Harpa, and we're gonna join them all together. Not just Harpa, by the way, we're gonna join the content from Claude in the top tier or top result website, and we're gonna combine them all together to one optimized content. Okay, so again, this is gonna be a prompt. I've just changed the keyword. You can copy this one, no problem with this, and simply enter. Now let's wait for it to Claude to finish, and let's get back to Harpa. Now this is gonna be Harpa right now, and basically we just need to copy this one right here. Once it's copying, go back to Claude and wait for it to finish. Now while it's typing it up, let's add the keyword right there, or rather the copy content from Harpa. Now we can just change this one and tell Claude to add this one. Add this outline from the content above, or rather to the content above. Basically wait for Claude to finish and then click on enter. So due to an expected capacity constraint, Claude is unable to respond to your message. Please try again soon or get notified when paid plans are available. So as you can see right now, we've reached the limit. So let's try it out once more again, and we cannot proceed. Now with this one, since we cannot proceed with an additional content, let's try out producing a keyword with this one. So let's just use a prompt that I prepared for you guys. So copy this one, extract. So again, it's the same idea anyways. If we can add this content from Claude, because this content right now is very specific, let's just get keywords from this website to add up to Claude right now. So basically click that one and then add this prompt once more. So this is going to be the final prompt. Make sure that it is on the top section, okay? And then click on enter. Now that's what should be doing it. And this is our content now from Claude. Let's just wait for it to finish. And then if you need an extra detail, for example, expand it to 2,000 words, simply type in expand it, or rather expand it to 2,000 words. Simply type on that one, and then Claude will give you another content with 2,000 words. Of course, if you want more activity about it, include tables, include links. The idea about this one is make sure you're accurate as possible. Don't generalize with Claude, guys, okay? Simply click on that one, click on that, and you're good to go. So whatever Claude is finished creating with this one, simply copy it and use it for your content. And that's how you create an SEO optimized content for free. So thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Goodbye for now.